I want to show you how to add image to your capture page or your sale pages that you create. But this image right here, I want to show you guys is going to be for a lead magnet a little bit, the first part of it. So people click on it and then they'll put their email and name in the box after that page. So guys, this is with the Conversion Pros. I'm gonna show you right here. Okay, let's get it started, guys. Now, bear with me. This might be a little long video, but I won't get the job. Okay, first thing you want to go to is to the page builder. Click on Create Page. We got a lot of different templates that you can see, but for this video purpose, I'm gonna click on this one and click on Edit, okay? And then you want to name the title. The first thing I want to do, I'm gonna change the color real quick so it'll be more black, so the words pop out. Okay, let's go right like this a little bit. Okay, close that, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna edit this content right here. That's how you make a page. You know, if you're doing a capture page, landing page, or a sale page, guys. You start from the beginning. And so I'm gonna type the capture page though, guys. Okay, guys, learn how this homeless man turned $50 into $5,000 a month residual income. Okay, guys, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna edit this a little bit Italian right now, and I'll fix it up a little later on. I'm gonna lower the text maybe to the S right there because most people watch it, see your thing on a cell phone. All right, I'm gonna delete this right here because I don't need it. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, is I'm gonna click this edit component button with the Conversion Pros. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a picture, right? Like that. Okay. Then I'm gonna edit this component so I get the picture URL. And I'm gonna show you guys how to do that too. Bonus right there. All right, guys. What I'm gonna go is I'm gonna go to Google, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my snip tool right here. Click it new, and then what I'm gonna do is just copy this right here. Okay, and then I'm gonna save back to the Conversion Pros. Then I'm gonna go to where you can get your URL picture for free. The image like that, like a URL image. So what you're gonna do is click on a new post and then click on choose a photo. Then I'll type in what I name it, homeless right here. Okay, and then you're gonna click on open. Okay. Then you're gonna click on your username right here, guys, and click on image right here. Then you're gonna pick the image that you just created right here, and then you're gonna get the link right here, HTML right here. You know, website blogs, copy. Okay. Then you're gonna go back to the Conversion Pros. Okay. And then go back to your image saver right here. Paste it. I might just want 25%. Okay. Then you erase all this until you get to that PNG. Right. And then you erase all this so you get to HTTP. Right. And then you click on save, guys. Now you got the image right here. We're gonna delete this real quick. I'm gonna delete this. Okay. And we're gonna edit this. This is how you just make a page to get to your to your email page. Because I'm gonna erase the email thing too. This is just a page so people say, learn how this homeless man turned $50 into $5,000 a month residual income, and then you turn to an email page to get their name and phone number like that or whatever. Then I want to say by giving. Okay, stop editing right there. Go to the edit component right here, guys. and you want to click on a button right here. Just save it right there. And then you want to delete this component right here because you don't need it. If you have social media like that, guys, you can place that if you want to. I'm going to delete for this video purpose right there. And then I want to go get a background image. And I'm just going to do something plain, guys. That we have a lot of background images that you can see. But I'm going to do with solid colors. So you got a lot of solid colors right here for the background image. So I'm just going to use this white right here, like that. So the white stands out, and he stands out like that. And then what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to style the font. Okay, let's see. Okay, and I'm going to make it, because you can change the font right here, guys. So okay, I'm just going to do a impact. I'll make it a little bit bigger. And I'm going to change the color, guys, to red. Okay, and then next I'm going to change the button. I'm going to edit the content real quick. Oh, you got to save your work real quick before you edit the button. So I'm going to save the work real quick. I always forget that, guys. I always forget that. All right, now let's go and do it again. Edit the content. All right, and very easy. Just click what you want to write right here. Learn here. Okay, and then whatever URL you want to place right here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my Conversion Pros. I'm going to go to my tiny URLs because I know what URL I want to use. I got ClickBank products, guys, right there, but I'm going to use this right here. I'm going to copy and paste this. Okay, go back to my editing page, push that X, copy and paste, and then I'm going to change the button up a little bit. I'm going to put the background maybe orange or something. And you can just play with it like that, guys. And then the text color, just play with it a little bit. I might just use red on that one. See, yeah, that's cool. You could change the font right there. Let me see. All right, this is click save. Something like that. I might do a little something different. Let me go to style real quick. Okay, because when you go to style, after you do that part, when the editing part, you can change to something you have right here. So I don't know which one. Let's see what I want to choose. Let's do a tone. Okay. And then what I also want to do is, I don't know, that background ain't really kicking to me. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that white background with that red like that. So it pop it off like that. Okay. Yeah. And then what I want to do also is make it a little bit bigger like that. Text shadow, make it a little bit blacker. So see a little bit. Yeah, something like that. Okay, I got my link in already right there, guys, as you can see. Okay, save the work. Just a little make this a little bit smaller, a little bit. Okay, let's see. Yeah, just a little bit bigger. All right, that's cool right there. Save my work. Then if you want to see how I look, guys, you can just hide this menu right here, and that's how I look. And you can change the different backgrounds if you want. You know, I just did something real fast for you guys to show you how you can upload pictures to the capture to any page that you make with the Conversion Pros like that, guys, and get tiny URLs so you can track how many people click on the link. All right, guys, a quick little video just to share how you can add image to the Conversion Pros in your back office guide. All right, once again, it's your friend Adrian. Subscribe to my channel. Click that like button, and I'll see y'all another video, guys. Peace.